Okay. Good morning, everybody. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to Avid Adventures. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today is 1st of July. I beg your pardon. Today is 2nd of July, 2021, and we are going to a place called Chunchi Falls. Forgive me if I get the name wrong, but it's about 88 kilometers from where I am right now. I've got the bike all fueled up. All of my riding gear is also, I've set it up properly now, and everything is checked. So I have this mental checklist that I sort of perform before I leave for any ride. So that involves phone, wallet. So phone is there. Wallet is okay. Where's the wallet? Okay, wallet is here. Phone, wallet is here. Now I have the charger for the phone. I have the charger for the GoPro that's kept inside. And the rear views are set. Trip is set to 0. Bike is all fueled up. I have already cold started the bike once, although it's not very cold here in Bangalore, but it helps if you sort of cold start your bike a little bit. And I was here in Playzone Cafe, and I've had my cup of tea before we begin. So chalo bhai, all set and done. Location is set to on, trip reset to 0, rear views are okay. Okay, let's bring it to neutral here. All it does, you can start your bike in the first gear itself, but I prefer to start it in the neutral. So okay, let's go. Jai Mata Di. Okay, so estimated time of arrival is 1 to 1-3 hours. अपने को अभी ATM से पैसे निकालने हैं because I don't have cash on me. So पहले ATM से पैसे निकालेंगे because it is always better to have some cash in hand when you're traveling. So that's what we're gonna do. Finally, after a lockdown of I think more than 2 months and a couple of days, the lockdown is still open, but I think since the government has finally allowed the movement of vehicles, like private vehicles, from one place to another within the city, within the state, I have decided to go for a quick ride, about 88 kilometers one way. 88 kilometers one way, so both ways it will be around 176 kilometers. So 180 पकड़ लेते हैं. So I'm assuming, since it's a fall, so I'm assuming कि उधर जाते टाइम अपने को थोड़ा बहुत वो मिल जाए, घाट मिल जाए, where we can check out the cornering ABS on this motorcycle. But I am not very sure because मैंने बस ऐसे ही गूगल किया कल रात में waterfalls near me, and this Chunchi Falls मेरे को सबसे सही लगा. 750 meters में लेफ्ट लेना. भाई यही चल रहा है. फर्स्ट गियर, सेकेंड गियर, थर्ड गियर, 5 सेकेंड, फिर वापस डाउन शिफ्ट करो. बिकॉज एक इसमें थोड़ा सा मेरे को लगता है which will be a little bit difficult for beginners. I mean, if you're not used to riding bikes, and if you right away although I think nobody will right away go with getting this bike if they have no prior experience of riding motorcycles. But I think if somebody does that, I think सबसे बड़ी, I think the problem that he'll or she'll face is that this bike does not forgive you for riding in high gears at low speeds. It will stall like this. Mysore.
pedestrian tractors, 3-wheelers prohibitors. Okay, so bikes are permitted. Oh, nice. I've been wanting to get on these roads for so long. It's amazing. So the road is looking nice, man. And see, the best part about this bike, when you're cruising on highways like this, you don't need to press the clutch at all. Just do this and gear shifts automatically. Look at the road, man. Amazing road. So right now I'm cruising at 100 kilometers per hour. RPM is at 5700 RPM, and I am absolutely loving it. It is a beautiful machine to ride. I'm cruising on the bike for the very first time, and let me tell you one thing for sure. It is a treat, absolute treat to ride this bike on highways like this. So right now I've stopped somewhere in the middle. I've done about 60 kilometers, 60, 70, 60 odd kilometers. The roads are not very good. They are very bumpy. So इसलिए I haven't been shooting much. And I'm assuming कि आगे जाके, if you can see there, सामने पूरे hills है. So I'm assuming आगे जाके घाट्स मिलेंगे. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start recording once I hit this घाट.
1 hour later.
Sheep, side ho ja, please, sheep, side ho ja, sheep. Sheep, side ho ja, sheeps. Okay, so after riding for almost 2.5 hours and 114 kilometers, we are finally here in I think in Chunchi Falls. So उधर से मैं पूरा राइड करके नीचे आया. मेरा GoPro almost last moment पे it got discharged. I wasn't able to film the last part of the bike, last part where you just enter it. So it's a complete uphill from here, and it's a total gravel based road. So पूरा off road वाला feel आता है, खूब ढेर सारे पत्थर हैं. And right now I'm here, and I asked these gentlemen here, so fall is somewhere over there, so we need to go walk niche pe. And okay, one second. Yeah, so for this trip, I don't know if you can see it, but this trip was 115 kilometers, and trip time was 2 hours and 34 minutes. Fuel consumption of 33 kilometers per liter with an average speed of 44 kilometers per hour. So major update, the falls is open, पानी भी है नीचे, but इधर पे security guards बोल रहे हैं कि we are not allowed to go down. थोड़ा सा initially I was thinking कि I'll just go back, but and then I decided, you know what, इतने दिनों से घर ही में बैठे हुए हैं यार, so I decided कि I'm just gonna sit here for a while and watch the clouds, watch the hills. So that's what I'm doing here. मैं बिल्कुल एक पेड़ के नीचे ऐसे बैठ गया हूँ, राइडिंग गियर वगैरह सब उतार लिया है, एंड बाइक वहाँ पे खड़ी है, इग्निशन ऑन है बिकॉज कैमरा चार्ज हो रहा है, अरे GoPro की बैटरी चार्ज हो रही है. यहाँ पे 2-3 लोग और आए हुए हैं who wanted to go, but of course उनको भी अलाउ नहीं कर रहे जाने के लिए. तो इधर से now the plan here is I'm gonna take off from here and I'm gonna go get some lunch, and lunch करके then we'll continue heading home. एंड या तो मैं क्लाउड्स एंजॉय करता हूँ और आप लोग भी टाइम लैप्स एंजॉय करो। Okay, so now the news is that I'm starting back for home. It is 87 kilometers and the Google Map says I'll reach by 16:22. So right now my bike reads 114.9 kilometers one way. Google Map says it's 87. So let's see.
रोलिंग हिल्स मैंने पहली बार देखे हैं। काफ़ी अच्छी जगह है। so, इधर से अपने को जाना है राइट, लेफ्ट क्लियर, राइट क्लियर, चेक। अब यहाँ से उधर तक, अभी इस पॉइंट तक ना जहाँ से हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया, मैं माइक की वायर लगाना भूल गया था गोप्रो में, तो आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑडियो कैसा आया होगा फॉर द स्टार्टर्स, लाइक स्टार्टिंग में। बट इधर तक जहाँ से हम लोगों ने राइट टर्न लिया उधर तक रोड ठीक है, एंड यहाँ से फिर ख़राब रोड शुरू, पूरी तरफ रोड ऐसे लेफ़्ट राइट ऊबड़ खाबड़, गड्ढे तो भाई पोटहोल्स तो इतने गंदे हैं बीच में। तो अब यहाँ पे इसीलिए मेरी स्पीड इतनी ड्रॉप कर रही है, मतलब 44 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर की एवरेज स्पीड, तो इसीलिए काफ़ी कम हो गई, नहीं तो अदरवाइज़ तो काफ़ी अच्छी स्पीड मेंटेन कर रहा था मैं इनिशियली।
One eternity later.
So, बीच में बहुत गंदा ट्रैफिक मिला मेरे को एंड बहुत स्लो हो गई थी मेरी स्पीड, बट अब हम लोग वापस आए। आई एम अबाउट टू कनेक्ट दैट मैसूर एक्सप्रेसवे, मैसूर हाईवे, नॉट द एक्सप्रेसवे। बैंगलोर। We need to continue on this road for the next 15 kilometers and then we'll connect to Hosur road and we'll go towards we'll take the Hosur road towards Sarjapur road, and then from Sarjapur road we'll go to our Pellandur. So अभी यहाँ पे ट्रक ट्रैफिक काफ़ी बढ़ गया है। जब मैं आ रहा था तब उतना ट्रैफिक नहीं था। एक्चुअल मज़ा इस बाइक का चलाने का ऐसे हाईवेज पे है। Okay, now I'm gonna exit this Mysore highway, NH 44. Yeah, NH 44 अब ख़त्म हो गया, and ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, I mean मेरे लिए ख़त्म हो गया. So I'm gonna take a left here and exit the highway. So bye bye Mysore highway, bye NH 44. Very nice road guys, very nice road, बहुत ही बढ़िया, मज़ा आ गया चला के इस पे. इतने स्पीड ब्रेकर्स के ऊपर मैंने बाइक खुदाई है ना, ओ भाई फिर से आज इतने स्पीड ब्रेकर्स मिले हैं, सही बता रहा हूँ, इतने स्पीड ब्रेकर्स मेरे को आज तक लाइफ में किसी ट्रिप में नहीं मिले, बाइक एंड कार इंक्लूडेड. बहुत स्पीड ब्रेकर्स है आज.
1 hour later.
So I'm almost home now. It will just take me 2-3 minutes to reach home from here. So first of all, thank you so much for tuning in to Avid Adventures. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please do leave a like, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching Avid Adventures. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy,